Today we got another set of cool gadgets, so are you ready? Some of these are really helpful for your daily routine, some are quite fun, and some are literally portable to use whatever and whenever you are. There are some perfect gadgets for those who type a lot, so that's for you. So if you want to check out these gadgets' work and their pricing, we've provided their links in the description box. Now without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 10. Quantum Nixie Watch. In this new era with the finest machinery, we have totally forgotten the charm of old stuff. Remember Nixie tubes? They ended in the 90s and now it's the age of LEDs. But the watch that I'm going to introduce you is one of a kind. Yes, it's totally a unique watch, including two-tube road design and a futuristic look. Its tubes light up and show you time in both ways, either by pressing the button or raising your wrist. Its sleep mode activates automatically when your watch is still for an hour, hence adds in saving its charging percentage. You can easily get up and set up the time through the watch menu by holding down the menu. It is wired chargeable with an easy to use magnetic connector. Overall, this quantum watch is best for those who love classical wearables. Number 9. Drone Home. From search operations to photography and filming, drones are adaptable. This drone is going to be a super fun game for all ages, especially for kids to keep them busy around. The drone package comes with the launch pad and 12 alien toys. Launchers are used to get your aliens inside the drone and to have a fun battle by launching your alien spot in the drone against other players. So if you're looking for an amazing gift for your child or something that all family members can enjoy, this drone home is all in all. Number 8. Foldable wireless keyboard. No one can escape from hasty happenings, but if you wanted a task to do on your tablet, your phone, or your laptop, you may drop out of something important to you. So your next gadget is a solution to all this trouble, and its compact design makes it ideal for travel. This triple foldable keyboard can easily get inside your small traveling bag and is easily accessible whenever you need it. It comes with a built-in long-lasting rechargeable battery that can last up to 45 hours of continuous typing. It got fast and quite key input that wouldn't disturb your kids sleeping near you. Number 7. M2 Translator Earbuds. Well, dissimilar language becomes a huge problem when we are on a trip and we are unable to communicate with the natives. So for better communication, you need these M2 Translator Earbuds that support 40 languages and 93 accents, which means that they can be used worldwide. It is supported by both iOS and Android for instant two-way translation. Also very easy to use. Just set the 2 languages and speak in your own language after each person wears those earphones. Both persons will hear a translated language through their earpiece. It works through 3 modes. Touch mode to activate voice pickup to understand what you speak, listen mode to listen to the translation from your M2 earbuds, and speaker mode to translate your spoken sentences. Number 6. Ice cube trays. So you too don't adore the boring square ice cube shape? These trays possess a nice round ice ball shape and have a cute moderate size to put in your blender and fit in every glass shape. The best thing is you can store more ice cubes through saving space in the freezer by using 3 tray packs at a time. They require just a slight twist and they come out without a spill or cracking. So easy to use as it takes only seconds to fill trays. Stack them in the freezer and tape them out in the box. Number 5. Mini fridge. How bothersome it seems to go out of your room every time to quench your thirst, right? But what about having a mini fridge in your room to conveniently grab the drink whenever you want? The super portable and lightweight mini fridge weighs only 8.5 kgs. The best part is that it has 2-in-1 function to keep drinks cold and also operates in warm mode to maintain the warmness of your drink. Pretty cool, right? This compact form fridge has a storage capacity of 4 liters. A good companion indeed. Number 4. Dry food dispenser. Storing the snacks or your dog food in the wardrobe or on a countertop is a fuss with other items and it tires as they get damped. So a dry food dispenser can be a great option for you to store dog food and snacks. So easy to use for portion control, as portion control shells out 1 ounce per twist. It comes with a removable tray and durable materials. The food dispenser is not only fun to use for kids, but also gives them a sense of independence by letting them serve themselves. Number 3. Cup Cozy Deluxe Pillow. Want to enjoy watching TV with your favorite drink or coffee by lying on your bed or couch? Oops, they could spill. Not anymore. Even if your space is little and doesn't have room for side tables, then this cup holder pillow is the best solution for your platform. And the problem, of course. You wouldn't need to stay in a certain spot to reach your drink. IAs, it can hold a variety of different sized cups and mugs. This can be the best purchase you ever made that holds everything you need at your arm's length, so you can sit back, relax, and reach your drink conveniently without having to be near the coffee table. Number 2. AbsorbX Deodorizer Kit. It's an uphill task to keep our vegetables and fruits fresh for some days in our refrigerator or freezer. They got rotten and cause a bad odor in the refrigerator. This medium-sized odor filter is a cool breeze as it keeps your food fresh. Makes it last longer and avoids the odor. Well, this is a gadget that can be used wherever you need to protect things from bad smell. It can be a wardrobe, shoe rack, or cupboard. It works 100% naturally with non-toxic activated technology to absorb all the odor. Number 1. Heartbeat M1 Laser Projection Keyboard. Can you imagine typing on any surface? Not on the actual keyboard, and still you can see the words forming on any screen? Hey, we've got a projector-style keyboard here. Instead of physically pressing the key, as on a conventional keyboard, the user simply has to touch the area where the picture of the key is displayed, and the device will register the action as a key press. A laser keyboard can only be used when it is put in front of a level surface. A hologram of the keyboard can be projected onto a flat surface by activating the laser hole within the keyboard. This amazing gadget comes with a phone holder and has a Bluetooth connection to transform your phone into a computer in seconds. The best thing is, since there are no actual keys present, dust, fingerprints, and other impurities on the projector or sensor have no bearing on the virtual ones. That was all about today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch more, do hit the bell icon so you can get an update every time we post a new video. Also, comment below and let us know which one tech gadget you like the most in this video. See you in the next video.